In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit a relationship status on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here at your profile picture to go to your Facebook profile page. And then tap at Edit Profile. Then swipe up to go down until you find Details and then tap at Edit. And then scroll down until you find Relationship. That's where you can easily find your current relationship status, and if you would like to edit it, tap right here. And that's where we can edit our relationship status. So first off, we can set our current status, like in a relationship, why not? Also in here we can add a partner, or we can change it. So if you tap right here, you will be able to search for your partner. Keep in mind that your partner must be at your friends. So just search for a user that is currently in your friends, and that's how you can add a partner. Also, you can add a date here. We can add a year, a month, and a day in that way. After that, we will be able to change our privacy settings for that information. So on my account it is set to only me, so just me right now can get access to that information, and it is not displayed on my Facebook profile. However, we can switch it to friends or to public. Once you've done that, to save the changes, tap at Save and then Save again. After that, it shows us our current new relationship status right over here in the details. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.